Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bidet attachments that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Bidet Slim Edge. This budget-friendly option is perfect for anyone looking to dip their toes into the bidet world without breaking the bank. With dual nozzles, you can enjoy tailored cleaning for both front and rear areas, making it a hygienic upgrade for your bathroom. The adjustable water pressure is a great feature, especially for users who want full control over the intensity of the wash. Design-wise, the Slim Edge lives up to its name with an ultra-thin profile that fits seamlessly under most toilet seats. The sleek, modern look is complemented by a comfort control knob that's intuitive and easy to use. Installation is a breeze, requiring no electricity or plumbing expertise. It's even renter-friendly, making it ideal for apartments or temporary setups. However, its simplicity does come with trade-offs. The cold water functionality might not be for everyone, especially in colder climates, and the build quality, while decent, doesn't feel as premium as some higher-end models. Still, at just $28, the Bidet Slim Edge is an incredible value for anyone seeking a straightforward, no-frills bidet attachment. At number 4, we have the Clear Rear Bidet Attachment. This product stands out with its sleek black design, offering a stylish upgrade to your bathroom setup. Featuring self-cleaning nozzles for both front and rear washes, it delivers a complete cleansing experience for all users, including new mothers and individuals with sensitive skin. The customizable water pressure dial is another standout feature, allowing you to adjust the spray strength to your preference. The installation process is quick and straightforward, requiring no electricity or complex tools. The Clear Rear is an eco-friendly alternative to toilet paper, promoting sustainability while providing a refreshing clean. Its slim profile ensures compatibility with most standard toilet seats, making it a versatile choice for renters or homeowners alike. While the Clear Rear delivers a solid performance, its lack of detailed pricing information is a drawback for consumers seeking transparency. Additionally, while it offers great functionality, it doesn't quite match the premium feel of some competitors. Nevertheless, its stylish design and reliable features make it a noteworthy contender in this lineup. Coming in at number 3, the Luxe Bidet Neo 120 is a fantastic mid-range option that combines quality, performance, and affordability. This bidet attachment features a self-cleaning nozzle with a guard gate for added sanitary protection. The nozzle retracts behind the guard after each use, ensuring it stays clean and ready for the next wash. The adjustable water pressure function caters to individual preferences, making it suitable for all users. The design is sleek and durable, constructed with high-pressure valves featuring metal ceramic cores and steel hoses instead of plastic. This ensures longevity and reliability, especially compared to other models in this price range. Installation is straightforward, with all parts and tools included, making it a hassle-free upgrade to your bathroom. While the Luxe Bidet Neo 120 is an excellent choice for rear washes, it lacks dual nozzles for feminine washing, which might be a deal-breaker for some users. However, its sturdy build and sanitary features make it a dependable and cost-effective solution for anyone looking to reduce toilet paper usage and enhance hygiene. In the runner-up spot at number 2, the Luxe Bidet Neo 185 offers an upgrade over its sibling, the Neo 120, with dual nozzles for rear and feminine washes. This feature makes it a versatile choice, especially for women and expecting mothers. The nozzles are self-cleaning and retract behind a guard gate, ensuring maximum hygiene and protection. Additionally, the adjustable water pressure allows for a customizable experience. The design is modern and durable, featuring high-pressure valves with metal ceramic cores and steel hoses for added reliability. Installation remains simple, with all tools and parts included, making it a user-friendly choice for anyone looking to elevate their bathroom setup. The Neo 185 strikes a perfect balance between functionality and affordability, offering a luxurious feel at a mid-range price. While the Neo 185 is an excellent product, it doesn't include some advanced features like temperature control or premium finishes. Still, it's an outstanding option for families seeking a durable and hygienic bidet attachment that caters to diverse needs. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Luxe Bidet Neo 185 Plus. This premium bidet attachment redefines convenience and hygiene with its innovative design. The patented flip-up hinges allow for easy cleaning of hard-to-reach areas, while the advanced 360-degree self-cleaning mode ensures both the guard gate and nozzles are thoroughly sanitized. Dual nozzles cater to both rear and feminine washes, offering a gentle yet effective cleaning experience for all users. The Neo 185 Plus features a low-profile, compact design that's available in several premium finishes, including chrome. The ergonomic knobs and improved water pressure control enhance user comfort and usability. Installation is a breeze thanks to the U-shaped adjustment plates, which allow for quick setup without removing the entire toilet seat. This attachment is compatible with Luxe toilet seats, ensuring seamless integration into your bathroom. While the Neo 185 Plus is the most expensive option on this list, its premium features and innovative design justify the price. It's perfect for users who want the best in bidet technology and are willing to invest in quality. If you're looking for an advanced, durable, and user-friendly bidet attachment, the Neo 185 Plus is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.